If you ever try to place an object over a frame, but it keeps on getting it inside of the frame, there are two ways to fix it. So let's start with the option 1. So as I show you, when I'm moving the object over the frame, it's jumping inside the frame. So we have to select the object and just click on this small lock button. But it's still doing it because I just locked the position, and I have to click on once more. So now it's fully locked. And as you can see, we can moving over the other object. Even we can resize it easily. Nothing happens, not jumping inside the frame. But before I show you the second option, I would like to ask you, if you like my content and find it valuable, please do not forget to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you really would like to support me, in the description you can find my Buy Me Coffee link, where you can support me even with a really small amount. But now we just jump into the second option. As you can see, same settings. I just hovering the second object over the frame and it's jumping immediately. But when I'm holding the control or on a max a command button, I can do what I want. And actually same, if I still holding it, I can also resize the second object over the frame. If I just leave the button, immediately the second object jumps inside in the frame. But when I keep touching the button, it's immediately locking the frame, and I can moving the second object over the frame. I can also, as I said, resize it. I can do whatever I want. Now the object is the frame is locked. But as you can see, when I do not push the button, the frame is getting unlocked again. Meanwhile, here in the first option, this is fully locked. I do not have to touch any button. But if we like to unlock, I just have to click again to the frame and click on unlock. And now I can do whatever I want also with the frame. But now this small tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit a small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section first of all to feed the algorithm, our greatest friend. And of course, if you're struggling anything in a Canva or just have any question about Canva, just let me know in the comment section. I try to answer as soon as possible. Please also check the description where you can find the links for my Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok pages, where you can find another great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts, list in a Facebook page. And of course, in the Instagram and TikTok pages, you can find a short form of Canva tutorials. And as already mentioned, you can find a link for my Buy Me Coffee page also in the description, where you can support me even with a really small amount if you want. And as I mentioned already, you can find all the links in the description. But now this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.